seconds in. Hey, in today's Trusted Advisor segment, exercising your mind is so beneficial when it comes to mental health. At places like Forest View Hospital, that's where recreational therapists come into play.
Yeah, so what exactly are they and how is their profession so beneficial for all of us in dark times? In honor of Recreational Therapist Month, we welcome Carolyn Coleman to continue this discussion. Good morning to you.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. So as we mentioned, February is Recreational Therapist Month. So what exactly does a recreational therapist do?
So important to talk about today. So recreation therapists focus on using recreation and leisure pursuits to improve someone's quality of life and using their functional skills to work on social, emotional, cognitive, physical, and spiritual areas of life to just overall make life better.
I love this already. Did you just say we get to play to feel better? I mean, that seems like something I want to hear more about. We don't always hear of recreational therapy taking place in the mental health setting. So how does this specifically help someone who is struggling with their mental health?
Absolutely. We get to play. We get to use things that you like to do to improve your life. And especially here at Forest View, when people are struggling with, bipolar and schizophrenia and depression and anxiety, we want to use your art skills, your movement, your musical interests to improve your quality of life to help you overcome these struggles. And that's what rec therapists do here at Forest View.
Yeah, I guess that was my thing. A couple of examples of things that kind of play into the recreational therapy field. You said art is one of them?
Absolutely. If you love to draw, if you love to paint, if you love to just scribble, we want to use that to help you overcome, these thinking and emotional and just these things that are pent up from the pandemic and anything that's been going on in your life that is causing you some stress.
Does video games play into this at all? Do video games play into this? Because I know a lot of people escape through those as well.
Certainly. Video games are a wonderful distraction tool. Some video games use strategy, so it focuses our cognitive mind to keep us focused in the moment, kind of releasing the stress of our racing thoughts at times. So video games certainly play into recreation therapy, yeah.
You just made Todd and my husband very happy over that answer.
It's therapy.
You just justified their therapy,
I've got a therapy
absolutely.
session.
All right, so speaking of this, what exactly is so beneficial, you feel, as we incorporate this into our everyday life?
Right now, especially with these cold temperatures, being pent up in the house, we get that cabin fever feel, and it can impact our mental health, certainly. So if we can find ways to, like video games, kind of focus our energy and improve the moment, we can just feel better. So yoga and meditation and video games and even just cozying up in that comfy chair, reading a book and getting some nice tea and hot chocolate is a wonderful way to improve our mental health and just our physical state. And that's really what recreation therapy focuses on.
Gotta be honest, I think she's got a job that you'd just smile coming into work every day, right? You get to come in and play, help others play and have some recreational time, and it really does have an effect. Quickly, what would you say is the most rewarding part of reaching recreational therapy to individuals struggling with their mental health?
Just as you said, I come in every day smiling and dancing and singing, and that's exactly what I do. And so, there are a lot of choices that come to my mind when I think of one specific area, and it's when patients have a realization moment or a light bulb moment when they realize that I can do things I like to do to change my world and change the moment, and I don't have to go through this struggling kind of cycle of doom and gloom forever. And that is one of the best things that we provide here, giving people permission and safety and just comfort and skills to continue when they leave this place to continue their recovery and life of wellness.
Perfect. I love that, everything that you're doing there. Forest View Hospital, what a great place. Go to forestviewhospital.com. There's opportunities to join the Forest View team as well. Who knows, maybe you could be a recreational therapist and come in and smile as well. To learn more, 1-800-949-8439. Thanks for the time.